Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져
티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게. I sound really fine. 다 잊었다 생각했는데.
Dear Clarians, our guests, and beloved parents, how are you? So this is gonna be the second part of our virtual recognition ceremony. And a while ago, we are done with the primary level and elementary level. So now we will proceed to the junior high school virtual recognition ceremony. Okay, so to start, so let me present to you our video presentation.
말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게, 기억나지 않게. Yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah.
Recognition Day is the culmination of all hard work and a year of study. It is the day when a pupil or a student can say, I've done it. It is a milestone in our life, and it is also a day when we gather and celebrate success. It is the most important day in our academic calendar, as it is the time when our faculty and staff can gather with us. Pupils and students celebrate our academic achievements. Remember that each recognition day is not the end, but a new beginning to a new horizon of our journey. Today, we mark another milestone in the history of Claremont School as we push goals out. Visitors, our dear parents, our unrelenting and dynamic mentors, pupils, and students, welcome to the 21st Recognition Day program of Claremont School of General Things Cavite for school year 2020-2021. Formally starting today's culmination, ladies and gentlemen, let us have the doxology to be performed by the selected grade 10 students.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나.
Of honorees, Virtues Awards, and Special Awards for Grade 8 level.
잊었다 생각했는데
Grade 8 level under the advisory class of Mr. Jonathan B. Cariabras.
I can't control. I miss you, baby.
Sherelle Faith M. Cabello with honors.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게